Usap.
Yes. I've had a yes. I've had a few acting bits before Roha, pero Roha is my first full-blown show. And I was a bit surprised to be a part of Roha kasi nga, as Ate Mai said, it's action-packed. So parang, talaga ba, kaya mo na mag-action din? So parang, at first I was intimidated, but as I got to know my role, Ice Mercado, I'm an influencer with AC, sila in video, I was like, okay, let's go. And honestly, I had fun, and I wouldn't have so much fun if it weren't for the cast. Honestly, and the whole team, Dreamscape team, they really welcomed me into my very first show. So I'm very grateful that they're here to guide me as a baguhan. Oh my goodness. Ang dami kong natutunan, ang dami kong na-experience, at ang dami kong naramdaman. And to be able to feel that in real life is tells so much about the show itself. So kung papanoorin niyo ng Roha mismo, dun mo din mararamdaman sobrang daming emotions. So thank you so much Dreamscape for giving me this opportunity, and I had a blast.
So same question mula kay Maymay. If you were to be considered again for another project na action, you would take it?
Ooh, for another action? Syempre, bakit hindi, diba? I mean, hindi, siguro it's not like the first thought that would come into your mind. Kay Montenola, mag-action. Parang hindi, wala kasi siya sa parang first impression mo. But why not, diba? We'll explore. Yes.
Thank you, Kai. For Lou, madaming viewers and mga fans ang pumuri sa action scenes mo. Kalaban si Donnie, medyo may ano na kanina. May example na kanina. For you, from your perspective, kamusta? What is it like with action scenes, especially si Donnie yung kasama mo sa isa?
I enjoyed it kasi, oh my gosh, kinakabahan ko ako. It was fun to work with Tony.
Sino ba si Donnie?
Nung unang kinakabahan talaga kasi, well, sa mga past na work ko, hindi pa yun hand-to-hand combat. It's always just like pointing the gun and then but with him it was easy naman kasi we were both just working together as a team when it comes to the shooting that, and mabilis yung pag-pick up namin with parang the stunts parang sayaw, so it was really good.
Alright, thank you Lou. For EJ and Kobe.